All right, I am making French toast sticks. I've got my butter here that I'm going to melt. Okay, got my melted butter here. And my milk right here. And my vanilla. And my cinnamon. And my sugar. And my eggs. All right, then I'm going to just whip this all together so it's nice and mixed. And I've got my bread. And I am using Texas toast. Okay, now I've lined my cooking sheet with parchment, but I'm also going to spray it. Okay, and I'll mix this just a little bit more. Dip and turn. Ready to do that all of the French toast sticks. Dip and turn, dip and turn, dip and turn. All right, and then we'll smush that one in. Then if you have any leftover stuff, you can just get all that yummy butter and pour it over top. Just like so. Get all that yummy goodness on there. All right, now we're going to bake this in the oven, and then we will have French toast sticks. Yum. Recipe for my French toast sticks is in my volume 1 Dining on a Dime cookbook page. $63. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code, or click the link in the description below for the recipe at livingonadime.com. Okay, got my French toast sticks here. Now you're supposed to turn them partway through, and I was watching something on YouTube and I forgot. Okay, so I'm turning them now, and then I will bake them for just an extra 5 minutes because I forgot. Okay, we're gonna throw these back in the oven, let them finish baking. Yay, we have a French toast sticks right here. Oh, yum. Okay, I don't know if the boys are ready to eat yet, but oops, if they stick together, you can just pull them apart. Ooh, hot. Oh, here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just picking from everywhere. Ooh. Do those look French toast delicious, Jack?
Yep.
Yum. Thumbnail. Okay, take one bite and tell me what you think. I won't get you on camera. Hopefully it's delicious. Okay. If it's not delicious, then our disappointment will be immeasurable. What do we think? Does it taste like French toast?
Yeah, it
and
does.
Is it in the shape of a stick?
It is. It's pretty good.
Yay!